And also what we are doing is this package that we're offering, this $399 package, is including a Jumpstart program. So this Jumpstart program is there designed to make sure people understand how the DTB system works, how to set it up effectively. And it's even designed for those who've got very little experience working with NinjaTrader. So NinjaTrader is a fairly complex trading platform to work with. There's a lot of nuances that you have to understand. And in fact, if you just install NinjaTrader and try to run automated strategies, if you just use default settings, it's actually not set up properly from the beginning. So, this also helps you set NinjaTrader up properly and effectively to run the automated strategies and be in line with everybody else. So as a introduction, the week 1 of our Jumpstart program is going to be, exactly the setting up of the system, setting up NinjaTrader, getting familiar with a few of the indicators, the tools, and just understanding the basics, and also, easing into, the actual trading platform itself, as well as the DTB system of tools. Our week 2 is going into more of the indicators, and I'm just going to look past my camera on the screen here, and it's going into more of the indicators and just understanding, what are the fundamental basics of the DTB system, and how these indicators actually help your trading, and make sure that you are more consistent, so you understand what these are actually meaning and how they actually work. Week 3 is going to be all about our combining the different tools. So there's no one magic bullet when it comes to trading. There's not one automated strategy, or not one indicator, or even a few indicators. There's you often need to combine a combination. That sounds pretty weird, but you need to combine a few tools together so that they all work together to give you the highest probability trades. And that's kind of what we focus on in week 3, where we are looking at what makes up the signal charts. What are the indicators that make up the signal charts? What are the tools that actually help you identify very powerful entries into the market? So that's what we focus on there. And in week 4, we really dive into the automated side. So, exactly our game plan. So this is helping people set up the game plan properly. I mean, how to set up the system is all good and well, how to understand the tools, but how do you actually set up the game plan, which is a very quick process once people get into it. So that, this week really, ensures that anybody who's running the game plan or running the automated strategies knows exactly what they are doing, and, to ensure consistency. It doesn't help doing a half job or not, doing it effectively. This ensures that you are 100% set up properly to trade the the game plan strategies, as well as the other strategies. So that's our promotion that we currently have. So a lot of companies out there will charge $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $10,000 for a trading course. Whereas this one is actually included with the very low price subscription. So it's really there to give people the right tools to trade the markets, but also a very informative program so that they understand the tools effectively and are then able to use them consistently in their trading.